My major design project is named as Mostly Dad. It helps dads navigate through initial years of fatherhood. Fatherhood is something that isn't often talked about, it's not often celebrated much. So that's why I came up with this concept. Hi, I'm Gauravi Nagpal. I am a L6 student at Indian Institute of Art and Design. And I am interested currently in graphic design, publication design, and illustrations. The inspiration behind it is my own household. I believe that in my household also, like, my mother is always given due credit for the work that she has done, for the things that she does for us. But my father is always not credited much for our upbringing. So this is the dedication to all the fathers, and this project celebrates fatherhood. So the challenges were initially to, research phase. Like, I conducted research with around 150 plus dads. So it was like how to, cater to everyone's, to make an outcome that cater to everyone's needs, and also to figure out visual style, to figure out time management. Those were the main struggles. I feel that, I have grown into someone who saw this dream, I think 4 years ago, where I still remember that when I attended the very first grad show when I was in foundation, I somewhere imagined that I will have a project like this, and to explain my project to all the industry mentors. So today it feels like a fulfillment of a dream. The journey so far has been, like, I would really like to thank IIED for shaping me to the person that I am today. The mentors, the faculty, the whole fraternity of IIED are the best people to really learn design from. And yeah, so I'm really grateful to be here. For the professional journey, I believe that the internships that we have done, and the people that we interact with, like the industry mentors, they are the ones who give us real insights that what are the things that really is happening in the industry. And with that, we are really prepared for the industry, and we are also getting to learn according to the industry standards. Tips for future graduates will be that be original, be just focus, and be confident of whatever you are doing. And design is something that is very subjective. It happens with time. You will struggle the most in these 4 years, but the struggle will be very fruitful at the end of it.